Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to study microbiology. Begin by understanding the core concepts of bacteriology, virology, mycology, and parasitology. Focus on the mechanisms of disease, host responses, and diagnostic methods for each pathogen. Prioritize high-yield topics, such as common infections and their treatments, to maximize your study efficiency. Remember to allocate dedicated study time daily, aiming for at least 2 hours of focused effort to build a strong foundation in this complex subject. To master microbiology, utilize standard textbooks like Jotz, Melnick, and Adelberg's for comprehensive details. Supplement these with review books, such as BRS Microbiology and Immunology, for concise summaries and quick recall. Creating detailed notes and flowcharts for microbial classifications and disease processes will help organize vast amounts of information. Additionally, watching online video lectures can clarify difficult concepts and help you visualize complex topics more effectively, enhancing your understanding. Active learning is key to retaining microbiology information. Actively recall information using flashcards for microbial characteristics, drug mechanisms, and diagnostic tests. Discuss concepts with your peers to solidify understanding and identify any knowledge gaps you might have. Practice drawing the life cycles of parasites and fungi to reinforce your memory and visualize complex processes. Regularly review previous topics to prevent forgetting and build long-term retention, which is crucial for exam success. For exam preparation, solve previous year's question papers to understand exam patterns and common questions. Focus on clinical correlations and case-based scenarios, as these are frequently tested and demonstrate practical application of your knowledge. Identify your weak areas through practice and dedicate extra time to improve them, ensuring a well-rounded preparation. Also, check out the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals. This comprehensive approach will help you achieve excellent results.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.